Welcome to Talk is Cheap, the first task in Unit 3 for Coordinate Algebra and Accelerated Coordinate Algebra. This task begins with the mathematical goals and, as always, the standards. So I'm going to go ahead and get you started with the introduction of materials and to show you where the information to answer these questions correctly will be found. In this paragraph, there's some important information regarding the cell phone prices that are offered on a monthly basis by two companies. The first company, Talk Fast, charges 10 cents per minute. The other company, Talk Easy, charges a monthly fee and an additional charge per minute. It'd be important for you to notice that Talk Fast charges more per minute than Talk Easy. But with Talk Easy, there's that flat fee. So as you scroll down to complete your table, and let me do that, you might start with 0 for each table. But I would recommend, and you don't have to, but it's probably going to help you as you continue throughout the task, that you show increases of 50. And I know you can fill in the rest of the table. Now, as you show increases for your number of minutes, you would want to say, for instance, with Talk Fast, they charge 10 cents a minute. Well, 0.10 times 0 is going to be 0. 0.10 times 50 is going to give you the cost for 50 minutes with Talk Fast. Now, I think it might be important to say the value of decimal 10 is not 0.10, it's 1/10, or you could say 10/100ths, just to be technical. But that's not important. So you would complete the table for Talk Fast and Talk Easy. And as you're done, you would then move on to the next page where you ask questions. Well, first you ask to provide a graph. I would encourage you that you label the x-axis, I believe that was number of minutes, and the y-axis would be your cost. You should be basing your graph off of linear functions. That would be nice lines. And at some point, I'm not saying it's there. Let me say that again. At some point, your lines should intersect. But I'm not saying it's right here. I want you all to be clear on that. As you finish up your graph, then there's some questions on the last page. Especially like number 3. You need to kind of understand, based on the graphs or based on the table, which function, which cell phone plan, which is represented as a function, will be best for you. For instance, with Talk Fast, you might be saving money if you only use so many minutes per month. But then if you go over a certain amount of minutes, then Talk Easy might be a better company to go with. Now, I'll let you be the judge of that. But remember, you want to base your decisions on a cell phone company off of whichever company offers the cheapest rate. I wish you the best in this task. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask your online teacher.